Everyone says, girls don't ride bikes.
They are fast, they are precise, and they are the only ones who can stop him.
An unidentified gang.
They think the road belongs to them. They're wrong.
All units, stand by.
This is it, ladies. Operation Night Run is a go.
I don't want to lose. I don't want to lose anyone. That's why we have to win.
This isn't a game, it's a case.
Cases move slow. They move fast. Left! Now! You're just like me.